Peter Cheliotis. I'm from Huntington, New York, with Cavalier Detailing.
Steve Zabora Jr. I'm from Wimmer, Pennsylvania.
Ryan Jennings. I'm from Bellingham, Massachusetts.
My name is Andres. I am from Dominican Republic, but I'm coming from North Carolina.
My name is Jose, and I'm from Long Island.
My name is Justin Gordon. I'm from Western Maryland.
My name is Will. I'm from Bentonville, Arkansas, and I'm with Sleek Mobile Details.
I'm Patrick. I'm from Madison, Wisconsin.
Ron from Madison, Wisconsin.
My name's Chris Adams. I'm from Belle Fourche, South Dakota.
My name's Justin Murdychuk. I'm from Tower City, Pennsylvania.
Ernest Mosby. I'm from Columbus, Ohio.
I'm Nathan Bianco, Las Vegas, Nevada.
We've been getting more customers asking for the ceramic coatings in the car. We've been using them, so we want to get certified so we can master the technique and not have problems with the warranty down the road, and troubleshoot any problems we might have with you guys today.
I've been doing some research on how the product works, and I actually just opened up my detail shop in September, and I'd like to add to my business.
I decided to take the seminar to learn a couple tips and tricks to help me better provide a good service to my customers.
I decided to come over here since I already have some training from you. It was really good, and I decided to come to this one because I know it's gonna be a good training.
I like to do details and to make some extra money.
Just to enhance my personal skills. I don't have a business currently, but I've been looking into starting one.
I had attended the Craftman a couple months ago at seminar, and now I'm looking for a little bit more information on the ceramic coating to improve my services for my business.
Well, we heard good things. We've done training seminars before with you guys. We're really pleased with the results, and you guys know your stuff, so we came back.
We moved our shop here a couple months ago and just kind of looking to upgrade and get into all the best and latest and greatest products, I guess. I mean, it's kind of the upselling and making more money in my shop is mainly the main reason.
To fine-tune my detailing abilities that I have now. I own my own detailing business at home, part-time, so I just figured I'd come in and try to fine-tune those.
Just for some extra training, you know, knowledge.
For my business, I have a business back in Las Vegas called NED Auto Detailing, and I want to do ceramic coatings, and I already have my garage all set up for it.
I think it's a whole new revenue stream for the business, and the profit margin's awesome. So that alone is worth it, period. And you're doing your customers a service with new car, or you're restoring a car by polishing it out and then sealing with the ceramic. You're doing them a service by protecting their car.
More choices for than just detailing cars, and I'll be the first in the area actually, near the Johnstown area.
Paint protection, paint longevity. That's a few other things I'd like to learn, you know. I got a general knowledge I'd like to expand on.
It can increase the demand of my business. Also, it can increase my revenue. Also, I'm having more knowledge about detailing.
You can do all that for me.
There's not a lot of people in our area that actually are certified or trained in it and even offer it. So it's something I was looking into for my own vehicles, as well as, you know, the possibility of starting my own business.
Well, it's definitely going to help some of my customers so they can have better protection for their vehicles, and that way I can help them better with their vehicles.
I think it adds a level of professionalism too. People see something like this certified, they know you're not just joking around.
Yeah, I do. I already have 4 or 5 people on the line from where I'm from, and it's not like it's a huge city or anything, but you know, I still have people who want the product, which says something about it anyway, I guess.
Hopefully bring in more customers. It's a higher quality type car care product, so I want to be able to offer a better solution to the people.
It's going to make me some money, man, make the business some money, so I'm excited about it.
It's going to offer, you know, basically protecting people's paint, make it look really nice. My car is ceramic coated, so when you feel it, it feels like glass, and people like that look. You know, it protects it for, what, 4 years, 7 years? That way you don't have to wax it that often at all.
We've been working on paint correction on the Nissan out there, and it's been going really good. We got the whole thing corrected now, and now we're about to do the Jade Ceramic Coating. Lots of fun, lots of information at once, but it's all good.